roads coming into our subdivision. Welcome to our house. Our living room. Our kitchen. My coffee machine. This is what they call a pila, place for outside storage. There's the door to the outside. And a pantry. Once again, there's my coffee machine and the burr grinder. Guess who's sitting on the couch looking at us? Hi, buddy. Good to be on. Here's our outside patio that Cheryl's decorated with all the plants. My little George Foreman barbecue. My two other buddies. Our office. Cheryl's desk. Got a couple of printers under there. This is my desk. Bookshelf. Extra espresso maker. Now we have a bathroom on this floor with a shower. Now up the stairs. By the way, here's our view from our house. Here's the volcano. Up the stairs to the two bedrooms. Little landing here. This will be your guest room when you visit. Nice big patio door, lots of windows, little balcony. And once again, there's the volcano up there. Lots of closets. And yes, you have your own bathroom. Nice and large, your own shower. Sink. Enough said. Here's Cheryl. Now the master room. It's very bright here. We've got a really big patio window here. There's construction going on outside, so it's a little yucky. We have kind of a nice little patio out here. That's the view of the park. Buddy likes to come in. He climbs the wall you see. Where my finger's pointing, he climbs up that wall, no kidding, on the outside, and comes through here and in the house. Kissy kissy. Now this is our walk-in closet. That's me, looking buff. Here's our shower. Similar to the other bathroom. And we've got a king-size bed with a frame from IKEA. We love it. Anyway, that's our house.